Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm Luxe, so let's get into it and check it out. This is the December Boxycharm Luxe box. If you are new to Boxycharm, once you've signed up, if you like the idea of the BoxyLuxe, it comes out quarterly. It is now $59.99, but they say it has up to $390 worth of value. So let's get in here and see what I got. With Luxe, you do get to make two choices. So two of the items in theory in here, I do know. On one hand, I always want to print out and bring up what my choices were. But on the other hand, I kind of like that I forget because it gives me some surprise in the box. When we uncover it, that is what it looks like. Oh, it's a different paperwork than the premium had. And that is what we have. The paperwork says Boxycharm Winter Luxe. And the back will tell us everything we need to know about what I received. Right in front, we have a Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. It's Essential Radiance, 1.7 fluid ounces. You guys know I am not going to open this. I cannot use vitamin C creams. It will make my face so mad and angry, it will just never forgive me. This is the cult favorite vitamin C intensive face cream that's developed to meet the needs of a lackluster complexion and to protect the skin from environmental toxins. I so wish I could use that. The Ocean Mineral Complex OMC 92 floods deep to fortify skin with essential micronutrients. The heart of the formula is a super nutrient complex comprised of 15% Stay C, a stable form of vitamin C blended with the anti-aging powerhouse Reishi to promote cell turnover and brighten skin. And it has a $116 value. Well, let me at least show you what it looks like. It does such great things for the skin. I am so sad that I cannot use vitamin C. The box was very nice, felt kind of luxe, and I think this is a nice frosted glass. I like the way this looks. It looks quite posh. If this is something that you can use, even with the box going up in price, this almost doubles the cost of the box. Okay, next out we have Ofra On The Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. Do I own this? I'm not sure. And it says, glow like you mean it, the ultimate tool for creating a bronzed glow. This says, this stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones, whether you are a makeup artist or an on-the-go beauty enthusiast who loves variety. This palette is all you need for a glam that shines AM to PM. Oh, did you guys know this has a $149 value? It's really heavy. Wow, let's check this out. $149 for a bronzing palette? Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow, that is, well, something's broken. I have brown all over everything, but I don't think it's broken. I think it's like chipped off. Let me take this off and I'll show you guys. The top has a decent sized mirror. I'm gonna bend this back. See how it's just kind of got brown all over it, but none of them really look broken. This has kind of got a wavy look to it, but I don't think any of it's broken. I think something might have just chipped, or it could have happened in packaging. You know what? I think I can use this. I had thought on one hand I might just pass it along, but I kind of want to play with it. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to play with it. All right, so we have our two highlighters. Oh, it is broken. I just turned it over to look at the colors, and the one that was wavy, the entire palette fell out. Okay, if the setup looks a little different right now, it's because I just took a minute to clean that up. I took my camera down to take pictures because, you know, I have to send a picture with my box. And if I didn't do that right now, I would have forgotten. So this can't be fixed. Normally you could repress it, but this was the one that had, I think, 2 or 3 different bronzing colors kind of swirled, and then a highlighter swirled in with it. There's no real way I can go ahead and repress that. So as of right now, I have a nice 5-pan palette with that shining one being my empty one. Also, I realized while I was doing that and cleaning up my shadow palette a little bit that the names are on this. So this is the Blissful highlighter, and this is the Rodeo Drive highlighter. And that is 2 of their more popular ones. This one's kind of pink and this one's kind of gold. This is the Americano bronzer. I like that a lot. It's a little warm, but in the summer, it'll be perfect. This is the California Dream Triangle, which you could just dip right in there if you wanted to travel with this and get that pink out and use that for your blush. And then this is a Beverly Hills highlighter, which is just several of their highlighters in the same pot. Okay, slightly disappointing, but I will let them know because I do like the look of that palette. I am so glad I decided to open that. I almost just left the plastic on it and we would have never known it was broken. I could have given it to my daughter or somebody else as a gift and been none the wiser until they opened it. To clean up now, I have highlighter. I cleaned it as best I could, but I have highlighter all over my desk. So as I tape today, if I start getting shinier here, you guys will know why. I just put the Ofra box top back there because I have the rest of it over here attempting to dry because I cleaned it as best I could. Okay, next out of the box, we have a Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. I was getting ready to say 12% AHA, BHA. I can't use this. I can on my body. That is exciting. With honey and prickly pear. That is what that looks like. This is kind of exciting. A body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving the skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. $40 value. That's kind of exciting that there's something with an AHA, BHA in it that I get to open. It is sealed. Let's put a little on the back of my hand and check this out. It's kind of a white, but with touch of honey color to it. Put it on the back of my hand. Do we leave it sit? How do you use it? I don't know. I never get to use AHAs and BHAs. Sunscreen alert. Ooh, so this would be a good one to use in the winter. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid that may increase skin sensitivity to the sun. Okay, so I will use this in the winter and I will tuck it away in the summer. It says to use it nightly 2 to 3 times a week. What did I say it was? A resurfacing serum. So you do just like you do your face, you just put this on and leave it. Slight tingling may be experienced. Do not use on face. Do not use after you shave. I have to admit, even though I know my body isn't sensitive, I'm a little nervous now. It smells kind of like honey, but it has a slightly muskier scent than that. It's fine. I would use it in the evening. If it was a day product, I don't know how thrilled I would be, but for the evening, it's absolutely fine. That's kind of exciting, an AHA, BHA that I can use. Next out of the box, I have a Davines Oil All-in-One Milk. I feel like I might have chosen this. I will let you know under the products that I chose which ones I did choose. It is a multi-benefit beauty treatment, and it is 4.56 ounces. That is what it looks like. I have actually tried the Davines or Davines product before. I'm not positive how you say it. I used to know because this came in Birchbox. Back in the day when we did Birchbox, this came in it often. This brand, I don't know that I've ever tried this product. I don't remember. This OI All-in-One Milk is a multifunctional leave-in spray treatment that softens, detangles, controls frizz, and protects hair from the heat. And it has a $36 value. Wow. All right, well, since it's an all-in-one, let's see what it smells like. It's one of those really thick ones. Smells good. Very clean. Very, like a shampoo-ish kind of, almost. If you've tried this, let me know. Almost a little bit, just a little bit, like laundry detergent. Maybe my nose is being super sensitive now. It could be me. Don't hold me to that. But it's a very clean scent any way you look at it. Nice and soapy. Next out, I have an Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. We are doing a lot of detoxifying. So far we have a vitamin C serum, a body AHA, BHA, and now a detoxifying treatment mask. Is it for our hair or our face? This treatment mask is a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. The charcoal's antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt. And the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for a poreless and flawless texture. $69. Well, those were all words that I don't need. Sebum and dirt. I guess everybody needs dirt. What else did it say? It said something that made me think, no way can I use that. I have really super dry skin, and for my age, my pores aren't bad at all, so I will probably pass this along. That is what the tube, it's a metal tube. I don't love that, but that is what the tube looks like. So basically you cleanse and tone, you put this on, relax for 30 minutes, and then gently peel off. So it's one of the old school peel off charcoal masks. I was just gonna look at the ingredients really quickly. The first ingredient is water. The second ingredient is polyvinyl alcohol. The third ingredient is just alcohol. Yeah, my face will not hold up to this, I don't think. I'm gonna set this one aside for somebody who has less sensitive skin and needs blackheads removed and that kind of thing. Next out, I have something from Persona. I have to tell you, I'm kind of thrilled about it. I just got a Persona palette in one of my boxes and I love it. I've worn it several times. That is what that looks like. I don't know what it is yet. It is an eyeliner, 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. Well, let's get it out of there. I like the little bag. Feels like it's dosed. Ooh, it's brown maybe? Nope, black. Does that not look brown? Let me find something black. This box from my premium that I just opened looks black. Yeah, look, it looks brown compared to that. I'm just saying, I was hoodwinked. Oh, and it's an old school pencil. Oh, very creamy. Oh my goodness, that went on. I mean, you can tell by how straight the line is. That went on so creamy and nice. It is, wow. And it's a true black. I like that a lot. I am telling you, I did not know, both times, I did not know what to expect from the Persona Cosmetics, and I started swatching the palette and I was like, wow. And now I'm using it and every time I'm like, wow, that's a great eye look. And this I was like, oh great, a black eyeliner. And then I try it and I'm like, wow, the quality of their products is amazing. Intensify your eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for all day to all night wear. Featuring a smooth blendable formula, this 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the waterline, and it is only $14. What a bargain. We'll finish this box and then we'll rub across this and see what happens. Next out, I have a pure, fully charged mascara powered with magnetic technology. If you guys have tried this, let me know below. It is vegan friendly, gluten-free, and PETA approved. And it is in black, which is what I always want my mascaras to be in. Although, I did try, because you guys know I love the Thrive Cosmetics, and I also know you're probably tired of hearing that. I did try their new, or I am trying, their new Nola, which is a blue mascara. Nola is the color. And I like it. I don't wear it every day. I don't wear it when I tape because it's not as dark, so it's not as shaping for my eyes, but super fun. That is what that looks like once we get it out of there. And the paperwork says, opposites attract with this age-defying, vegan, pure, fully charged mascara powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. Fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps condition and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. $22. So magnetic around it. I wonder if it's a tubing mascara, because that is what I love about the Thrive Cosmetics. It gives me way more lash because it is tubing. All right, well, I'm gonna try this in case it is a tubing mascara because I like them. I like them a lot. And last out of the box, I have, it's been a long time. It's been a very long time. If you guys have been with the channel for a while, you know, I went through a phase, how cute is this? I went through a phase where I got LaRousse brush sets in every box that I got, particularly Ipsy. Ipsy kept sending them to me again and again. The same set. I got like 4 of the same set within like 4 months in different boxes. In all fairness, I get a lot of boxes. But look, this one, how cool is that? It is a brush holder and it looks like they're brushes. The bottoms look pretty much the same. Oh no, they're navy. Is that true? I think the bottoms are navy. That's kind of cool. I don't think I have any navy ones. We have 5 brushes, 2 face brushes, and 3 for the eyes. LaRousse Beauty Christine set. This Christine set includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, and a medium domed blending brush, and a granite petite Rennie cup. It only has a $50 value. I think when I was getting those 5-piece sets from Ipsy, they said they were like, I don't know, $150 or something. Oh, super soft. Not a lot of density at all, so we don't know how much color they're going to pick up, but they are super soft. And look, it says LaRousse on it. This would be great for travel. That is my Boxycharm Luxe box for December 2021. We have 8 products. I can use most of them. I will pass along the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. I thought that was a serum. I think I said serum earlier. It's an intensive face cream. And the Aceology Detox Treatment Mask. I will try everything else. Wonder how this is dried. How we doing? I can't see it. Oh, wow. Zero movement. There is nothing on my finger. I don't think it moved at all. 2 thumbs up. I am telling you, I don't know if they're new, if I've just never received them, but that is now 2 things I've tried from the Persona Cosmetics line, and I have enjoyed them both. Now, brace yourselves. For my $59.99 box, my value of my box is $496. $4 shy of $500. Granted, there are a couple of items that I can't use, and my Ofra palette is broken. But assuming that they resend me the palette, the cost of the products that I can't use is $185 because they were pricey products. But even at that, I still have $311 worth of value in this box. It's a pretty good Luxe month. Let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. I will say it again and again. I know this is the busy season, and I appreciate you taking the time to be here with me so much. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.